Hello friends, today we are learning row and column widget in a Flutter with example. So let's start. So first is row widget. The row widget arranges its children horizontally from left to right by default. So the key properties of row is children, main axis alignment, cross axis alignment and minimum axis size. So, the children is a list of widgets to be displayed horizontally in the row. And the main axis alignment is align the children along the main axis horizontally, axis for row. And the cross axis is a vertical axis for row. And the main axis size control the rows size along with main axis. And the column widget. The column widget is arrange its children vertically from top to bottom by default. Its key properties are children's, main axis alignment, cross axis alignment and main axis size. So a children widget is to display a vertically in the column, and the control alignment along with main axis vertical axis for a column is a main axis alignment, and control alignment cross axis by horizontal axis for cross axis alignment for column. And the main axis size is column size along with main axis, same options as a row. So let's see with example. So here is the example of row and column. So here we are using first in column. Inside the column, property is main axis alignment space around. So and cross axis alignment is start. So in the column we are using row for an icon start star. Okay, so this is a max alignment is center. So see the output of this code is so here. Okay, and the second row is this is all our column, and column in this first row, second row and our third row. Okay, so in second row we are using main axis alignment space between, so it's space evenly. Okay, for use space between. And cross axis alignment is center, so the screen center, this row is showing in the center of the screen. Okay, and container widget we are using for the text color and padding. Okay, and the last row we are using icon for a home icon, favorite icon and setting icon. So in this we are using one row, and in the row we are using column for icon, and in the bottom of icon text of home. So this is the full example of row and column. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries, so comment on comment box. Thank you.